Good day everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about division of rational algebraic expressions. So if we have A over B divided by C over D, ito yung dividend, tandaan natin. And this one naman, ito yung divisor natin. So these are the steps to divide the rational algebraic expression. Step 1, keep the dividend. So ibig sabihin po, as is lang yung dividend natin. Number 2, change the operation by multiplication. So, itong division sign natin, gagawin nating multiply. Third step is to get the reciprocal of the divisor. When we say reciprocal, ibig sabihin yung inverse, no? Yung kabaliktaran po niyan. So, now, we have A over B. Yung division naging times. Tapos, from C over D, that becomes D over C. Okay? So, ito yung sinasabi natin na reciprocal. So, yung C, ilalagay natin sa denominator. Tapos, yung D, mapupunta naman siya sa numerator. So, reciprocal ang tawag dyan. And with that, ibig sabihin po, magpo-proceed na tayo sa multiplication. Okay? So, yung multiplication, naituro naman natin yon. At kung hindi nyo napanood yon, pwede nyo balikan yung naunang video rito. Okay? So, in this case, ibig sabihin po, magmumultiply tayo ng numerator sa numerator, denominator sa denominator. So, A times D, that is AD. B times C, that is BC. So, we have AD over BC. Ito yung pinaka-importanting steps natin. No? Keep, change, reciprocal. Okay? So, let's have an example. Example number 1, we have 2 over 3y divided by 6 over y. So first, keep natin yung 2 over 3y. Yung divide becomes multiply. Then yung 6 over y, that becomes y over 6. And then, so wala pa tayong ginagawa Kinopya lang muna lahat sa numerator, yung 2 and y. Sa denominator, kinopya yung 3, 6, and y. So, in this case, may makikita tayo dyan na pwede nating i-cancel. And these are 2 and 6. Because 2 and 6 are divisible by 2. So, 2 divided by 2, that's equal to 1. Then, 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Tapos, yung variable y, pwede nating i-cancel yan. So, bakit naging 1? Remember, yung y raised to 0, that's equal to 1. Okay? So, dito, we have 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Then, sa denominator, 3 times 3, that is 9. Times 1, 9. So, for the final answer, we have 1 over 9. Next, number 2, we have 20b raised to 4 over 5 divided by 8b over 5. So, yung dividend natin as is, yung divide naging times. Tapos, 8b over 5 becomes 5 over 8b. So, kopyahin muna natin lahat. Yung 20, 5, saka b raised to 4 sa numerator. Then, sa baba, 5 times 8 times b. So, ang ginagawa ko kasi kinokopya ko muna lahat para hindi magkalituhan. Okay? So, in this case, meron tayong makikitang cancellation na pwedeng gawin. So, yung 5 and 5 are both divisible by 5. So, 5 divided by 5 is 1. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Another, yung 20 and 8. 20 and 8 are divisible by 2. Tama? And also divisible by 4. So, ngayon, para mas mabilis, i-divide natin doon sa GCF na 4. So, divisible by 4, that means divide natin yung 20 and 8 by 4. So, 20 divided by 4, that is 5. And 8 divided by 4 is 2. And then, we have b raised to 4 and b. So, yung b natin becomes 1. Parang katulad lang din ng y raised to 0, magiging equal to 1. So, ito magiging b raised to 0, which is equal to 1. Then, yung b raised to 4, that becomes b raised to 3. Okay? So, in this case, we have 5 times 1 is 5. Tapos, copy natin yung b raised to 3. Tapos, sa denominator, we have 1 times 2 times 1. That's equal to 2. So, the final answer is 5b cubed over 2. Number 3, we have 6a over 3a plus 15 divided by 2a raised to 2 over 4a plus 20. So, yung dividend, copy natin. Tapos, divide becomes multiply. And then, yung divisor becomes 4a plus 20 over 2a squared. So, na-reciprocal, no? Then, kung makikita natin dito, yung 3a plus 15, may greatest common monomial factor, which is 3. Okay? So, matitira sa loob ay a plus 5. So, kung i-double check natin, 3 times a, that is 3a. And 3 times 5 equals 15. So, parehas pa rin yan. No? Nag-factor out lang. Another, yung 4a plus 20. Merong greatest common monomial factor na 4. So, dito, matitira ay a. Tapos, 20 divided by 4 equals 5. So, kung i-double check, 4 times a, that's 4a. And 4 times 5 is 20. So, in this case, pwede tayong mag-cancel ng 6 and 3. 6 and 3 are divisible by 3. So, 6 divided by 3, that's equal to 2. And 3 divided by 3 equals 1. Another, we have 4 and 2. 2 and 4 are divisible by 2. So, divide natin by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And 2 divided by 2 is 1. So, dito, sinulat muna natin, no, para hindi tayo magkalito-lito. So, yung 2, kinopya. Yung 2, kinopya. Yung a, kinopya. Yung a plus 5, kinopya lang din. Then, sa denominator, yung a square at a plus 5. Actually, pwede na tayo mag-cancel dito sa part na to eh. No? Pwede tayo mag-cancel ng a dito, saka yung a squared. Tapos yung a plus 5 at a plus 5. Kaya lang, ako nileles ko yung pag-cancellation, no? Para hindi tayo magkalito-lito. Okay? Then, sa part na to, yan, cancel na natin yung a at a squared. So, dito, yung a squared that becomes a raised to 1 or a. So, yung a plus 5, pwede natin i-cancel. At for the final answer, we have 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Then, sa baba, a. So, we have 4 over a. Okay? So, tandaan po natin sa division of rational algebraic expression, yung keep, change, reciprocal. Okay? Keep, ibig sabihin, as is yung dividend. Change, ibig sabihin, papalitan natin yung division ng multiplication. And reciprocal, that means, yung divisor natin ay i-reciprocate natin. Okay? And then, magpo-proceed lang tayo sa multiplication ng rational algebraic expressions. And whenever na meron kayong mga dapat i-cancel, huwag kalimutan yon, okay? Because the final answer must be in simplest form. Okay? So, dyan na muna natin tatapusin yung video. At kung nagustuhan nyo yung video natin, huwag kalimutan i-click ang like. At kung gusto nyo pa makapanood ng mga ganitong klaseng videos, tutorials, huwag kalimutan i-click ang follow. Thank you so much, and see you on the next video.